happy to be part of this jury for this award, and I haven't I haven't said this before to Mr. Subirama Reddy, but I really commend the effort that he is taking in keeping this award alive and in keeping the name of Yash Chopra alive. It's not being done for commercial gains. It's being done the way I see it, just purely as a tribute to a very good friend of his and a very great filmmaker. And I think he deserves an applause for his gesture.
I'm glad to be part of this jury. In fact, Rekha ji was one candidate who probably was almost unanimously selected, and I feel she deserves this, and she deserves much more than this. She started her career in 1970, and this is probably the 5th decade, and she's still around, shining as a diva, and she is probably amongst the most prolific actresses we've had in our industry. I wish the jury members, and I wish to thank the jury members to acknowledge her contribution to the film industry, especially to Mr. Subirama Reddy, because with this award, he has underlined what talent means. It means a lot when it comes to honoring people like Rekha, and I wish this award greater glories, and I wish we can continue with this. This is something which Mr. Reddy has decided to do to honor the memory of the great filmmaker Yash Chopra. I've had some close interactions with him, and I feel he deserves all the glory that this award and his films have been bestowing on him, and I hope they continue to do so. Thank you.
Today, I'm really happy to be part of this jury, one of the jury members. And today it's a wonderful a decision has been taken by the jury, and we are recalling again HG's films, and it's wonderful to think about his films and his making. I think today's generation has to learn. It is like a library kind. His films are magnanimously successful, and as Reddy sir, he was talking about the first time they have chosen Lata Mangeshkar ji to have this award, and second time the great Amit ji, and today they have selected, the jury has been selected for Rekha ji. It's wonderful because her talent, definitely the people, today's generation also well connected, and the industry, what she has contributed to the industry, she has done so many magnanimous films.
सबसे पहले मैं इस जूरी में रहना मुझे बहुत ही अच्छा लगा, और क्योंकि ये खुशखबरी है, क्योंकि आज ये जो यश जी का जो इंटरनेशनल अवार्ड, उनके मेमोरियल अवार्ड मिलना, और रेखा जी को ये नवाजा जाने वाले हैं, तो इस खुशखबरी को लेकर हम आपके सामने आए हैं। मुझे बहुत ही खुशी हुई है। ख़ास तौर मैं धन्यवाद कहना चाहती हूँ सुब्रह्मण्य रेड्डी जी को, क्योंकि अगर आप उसके बारे में विश्लेषण के रूप में अगर आप डिस्कस नहीं कर पाते हैं, विस्तार से डिस्कस नहीं कर पाते हैं, प्लस माइनस बात नहीं कर पाते हैं, तो फिर हम जूरी के लिए न्याय नहीं कर पाते हैं। तो हम जितना जो पहले जो अवार्ड्स दिया है, उस अवार्ड्स को भी हम सामने रखते हुए किस आधार पर इसको सेलेक्ट किया गया है, हम उसी टेबल पर हम डिस्कस करते हैं, और जो भी हम लोगों को प्लस माइनस बात करना तो उसी समय पे बात करते हैं। चलिए अभी